Hey guys, happy Monday. We've had an exciting morning here so far, not necessarily in the triple Qs, which have been slow and just sort of a sideways grind to the upside. We've had lots of nice little 20-cent ranges that have been working out. I'm trading with my friend Henry, who is in New York City, so that's makes for an interesting morning, trying to coordinate across the country like that. But what I will tell you is we started off the morning with an earthquake here, so that's always something that sets things in motion very literally for us in terms of getting ready for what's going to go on during the day. But let's take a look at the charts, and I'll dig right in and show you what the triple Qs are doing, and then you can see what we've been focusing on. So we had a move lower first thing in the morning, started trending higher, and you can see here that in each one of these legs of the uptrend, I don't have this last one marked yet. I should probably mark that up for you just so that you can see what's going on. But you can see that in each one of those legs, we had an anchored VWAP that really overlapped pretty nicely with natural support and resistance, and also with our volume by price data. So if you're looking here at the chart, you can see that the last one that I drew also is very well in tune with that 323.09 level. So that gives us good confidence that we've got good support on the moves that we're taking. So the first one this morning was this retracement right here. It came down and it gave us an entry opportunity, first entry of the day, right after our earthquake, which is, by the way, epicentered pretty much right under our house. So the fault line, we found out, runs about 50 feet to the toward the ocean from our front door, so that's just fantastic. But you can see that this inflection caught a move higher, and that the exit was, right in line with that 322.62 level. So that one was actually a pretty decent move. 53 cents per share traded on that one. The ones that came afterwards have been decent, but not very wide in their range. So no trade here, obviously, because this was the bar that was sort of setting up the next range. When price came back down in, though, we had the opportunity to get a pop to the upside and exit. Now, if you're looking at that saying, well, how did you know to get out at 322.62 instead of targeting these prior highs? Well, you didn't. It's that these bars in here started finding resistance right at that level. So when price moved up and then came back down to the entry level and then tracked back up again, we just decided that's the better place to take an exit. So smaller move, about a quarter on that one, 25 cents per share traded, followed by another teeny, right? This one, about 20 cents per share traded. And now we're just waiting for a reversion move back down into that prior level, or something that gives us a fib retracement back down into some of the significant highs that we had, get us into some of this stuff right here, right? If we can bounce on top of this range, right up in here, that would give us a nice entry opportunity with maybe a little bit wider profit objective. All things told, though, I mean, it's it was about $1.10 per share today so far on the triple Qs. All good entries, and as I said, I've managed to lock down this range a little bit and just sort of follow the move as it tracked higher. So with all of that said, let's just take a look and say that for the rest of the day, that we think that what we're going to do is continue to follow along with the underlying trend in place. Look for those retracements back to support and resistance. Haven't had any of the XRVs trigger today, so it's probably going to be a no-go on those. And the rest of this stuff really tends to pick up the most starting Tuesday and ending Friday. Tuesday through Friday are the best days of trading, generally speaking. We'll start seeing lots of those gaps, and we'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning in the first hour trading pit. Have a great day.